ask you, have you seen any lady as beautiful as this before? I can't hear you. Have you seen any lady as
On the 20th of September 1995, a queen was born, the amazing Hilda Baci'S. She's such an amazing individual, and she's become a national pride from cooking, from being a chef, a two-time Guinness World Record holder, and first ever time a Nigerian chef has gone global and has been renowned all over the country, not just the urban parts, the rural parts. You go to the streets of Agege, Abulegba, and then to the posh areas of Lagos and beyond, and ask who Hilda Baci'S is, they know who she is. And she turned 30 on the 20th of September 2025 and had quite a party, a lot of guests in attendance to celebrate. Happy birthday to her.
They dance, they dance, they dance, they dance, they dance, they dance. Come on now. I say, everybody, everybody. Say, hey, one time. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 3. Gentlemen, this is the club, baby. We're gonna start drinking right now. Come on now. I say, you're gonna be dancing right now. You're gonna be moving right now. You're gonna be dancing right now. Say, one question. Hey, yo, consequence. If you're eating, I need you to eat up real quick. I need you to eat up real quick. I need you to eat up real quick. You're drinking. Give me the stat drinking right now. If you're still eating, please, I need you to eat up real quick. Hey, that's it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. My like a beauty, I can do it now. I'm trying to
tell me about that time. Tell me about that time right now. Get down the corner, sing. Get this stuff up. I say drop, drop. I go carry small ways. I go carry big ones. I go carry big ones. I go carry 5 days. Everybody come on now. One time, say it. Come on now. You know praise I talk. Come on now. I want to tell you that